Good day all, welcome back to South Africa, and I hope you are all doing extremely well. So for this video, we will be defining what a boer is. Now, I'm going to start off by saying, and I'm going to start off by pissing off quite a few people, is that the word boer or boer does originate from South Africa. But what I've found is that there are certain qualities and traits that do make other people boers as well. So stick with me, I'll share with you my thoughts. This time I do not have a paper because this time it comes from the heart. So what is a boer? Now a boer is not defined by skin color, nor is it defined by culture or different cultures. It is actually defined by a few basic principles. So if you think that you comply according to these few principles and you are somewhere around the world somewhere, then you might be a boer as well. So a boer is defined by quite a number of things, and it's not specifically being a farmer. Boer is the Afrikaans translation to English is farmer, but like I say, it's about a set of principles. So the first principle of being a boer is that you have got identity. Identity, I mean you understand your history, you understand where you come from, and you understand why you are currently here. And you understand that it is not just because of you, but it is because of the sacrifices of your ancestors that you are where you are today. The second principle, which is an extremely important principle, is the principle of family. And that also includes the principle of the God-given right to be a man and the God-given right to be a woman, and the different functions that a man has and the different functions that a woman has, and that although they are both humans, they have got different characteristics, and they have got different tasks in life. The third concept or principle about being a boer is then religion. And then religion is extremely important because religion is the foundation which a lot of things are built on. So being a boer, you do understand that God created everything, and that God is your provider, and that God gives you the abilities and the mind and the heart to do whatever you have to do today and tomorrow. And then the next couple of traits or characteristics of a boer, and there's no title for this because this just comes from the heart, like I say, is all about determination and perseverance in life. It is about building skills in life, skills that will keep you alive, skills that will keep your family fed, and skills that will keep your community and your environment in such a situation that it is livable. And then the next characteristics of a boer, and like I said before, it is not so much about about culture and about race, but it's about a set of principles and a set of an idea of who you are. Now, the next one is all about your name and your reputation. When you go out into the community, what is your reputation? What is your name? Are you seen as an honorable, trustworthy person, or are you seen as the opposite? So that is the characteristics of what I think a boer is. And I said this before, you can be a boer anywhere in the world. It's all about the heart. It's got nothing to do with culture and race. And now a lot of people are going to be extremely pissed off at me in South Africa, because the question that they're going to ask me is, can a black man be a Boer? You decide. I'm not going to answer that for you. This is from South Africa. God bless. Please like, share and subscribe, and have a good day.